I'm Crystal Bright, and this is how you decorate a Christmas tree. We're gonna go over 3 easy steps for decorating a Christmas tree. The first thing we're gonna start with are lights. A lot of times we have a pre-lit tree, so you can go ahead and skip this step. And if you wanna make things a little bit more cost-friendly, you can get a cheap tree with no lights and add lights later. Okay, great. And now the very next step is garland. You can use garland that looks like the Christmas tree, but I am a little bit more flashy. So this is the garland I have. Very flashy, sparkly. Next step after the garland is the ornaments.